The all women's trips are really my jam. I love them so much. It's the same content of skills and objectives as the co-ed trips, but to me, I feel like they just allow for more like heart opening and connection and really like collaboration. So each of the trips that I've been on or have led has been different depending on who shows up to the trip and what's relevant in those kind of conversations. Identifying as a female means something different to everyone, and being a female climber is also no different in that way. So being able to share those experiences in a group for me personally has just like really opened me up in new ways. And I end up even walking away feeling more empowered. So it's a really safe space. It's a really positive space to be in. And I just can't speak highly enough of that opportunity that CTSS offers.